I've been on the carnivore diet for 34 days now and I've lost 22 pounds, so everything's going pretty well. So I'm calling this the Costco carnivore diet because about 98% of everything I'm eating is coming from Costco. So what this video is going to be about is I've kind of narrowed down the best of the best foods that I've sorted through over this carnivore diet. Some of the stuff I ate at the beginning is not so great. So now I got it figured out as some of the best fish, some of the best meat. And I'm just going to go over a couple things that I've been eating from Costco. Help you guys save yourself a little bit of time and money if you're looking at the carnivore diet. Now right now meat prices are super high. So I'm not really eating much steak, but I am eating the Costco organic ground beef. So let's get started. I'll show you all the different foods that I've been eating on the carnivore diet from Costco. So once you get on the carnivore diet, after about 3, 4, 5 days, everything gets pretty bland tasting. Food gets kind of boring. So I've sorted out some of the best meats that I've been using from Costco. So if you like bacon, I highly recommend this Columbus turkey bacon. I've pretty much just put this in the oven, and this stuff is super good. This is some of the best bacon that I think Costco has. I've ate quite a bit of chicken from Costco, and these organic chicken breasts are very good. Now once you go on the carnivore diet, you'll realize that you eat a little less food, but you should be eating a little bit higher quality food. Grass-fed beef, organic chicken. These organic chicken breasts from Costco last a long time. They're actually pretty thick. They come in a 3-pack, and with a little bit of kickin' chicken seasoning, these things taste great. So this is mid-February 2022, and meat prices are at all-time high. Ribeyes are $18.99 a pound. A filet mignon is about 25 bucks a pound. But if you want to go to Costco, you're going to need to eat some red meat on that carnivore diet. This organic ground beef is a great price for what it is in today's market, and it tastes pretty darn good too. Make sure that you season up a lot of your meat with a lot of salt. Himalayan pink sea salt seems to be the best. But on the carnivore diet, you are going to want to add some salt to your food. I normally don't salt anything, but on the carnivore diet, you're definitely going to want to salt your food. And as far as another alternative to steak, I've been using this grass-fed sirloin. It's already pre-cooked and pre-seasoned. This stuff is, let's see here, it's $23 for this package. It's not cheap at all, but it's not super expensive, and it tastes very good. You can just throw it in a skillet to warm it up, or I just throw it in the oven on 350 for about 25 minutes. And it tastes pretty good. It's already pre-sliced. So I just take, 5, 6 slices in a sandwich bag to work, and that's my lunch sometimes. But that grass-fed beef sirloin is pretty good. I've been doing every now and then for a snack is just a couple slices of this organic turkey breast. It does come in a 3-pack as well. It's got a good flavor to it. It is roasted. You don't really have to put anything on it. And if you're used to eating sandwiches, you can't eat bread on the carnivore diet, but you can throw a couple slices of this, just pop it in your mouth, and it's a pretty good snack. Now as far as snacks go, I do prefer the Pacific Gold beef jerky because it does come with these small packages, so you can't really overeat. You can't start eating beef jerky and 20 minutes later you got half a bag gone. These little pre-packages come in pretty handy. And just throw them in your lunch, eat them at work. Maybe if you go on a hike or something, you can always take these with you. It's nice to have these in a little small package. This is a pretty good snack for the carnivore diet. If you're used to eating a lot of hamburgers, I highly suggest you try these Salmon Burgers. These are made by Trident. They are excellent. You can throw these in the oven, on the grill, or in a skillet. They cook up pretty quickly, and they taste very good. A lot of fish while on the carnivore diet, and Costco does have a good supply of different kinds of fish, although I didn't eat any fish with any breading on it. So I've got 4 here that I continuously eat, and I'm going to rank them from worst to best. So we have this ocean perch. There's nothing wrong with it. It's pretty good. It's not bad. It's just some that I like better. It's a pretty thin fillet, and I tend to like fish fillets a little bit thicker. Coming in at 3rd place is the Kirkland brand orange Ruffy. This is a pretty mild fish, and it's also a pretty thin fillet, so I usually have to have at least 2 of these. Coming in at second place is the Kirkland Signature Brand Atlantic Cod Fillet. Now these fillets are quite a bit thicker than the other ones I showed you. They're about twice as thick as the other ones, and I can usually only just need one of these versus two of the other ones. Now coming in at first place is the Kirkland Signature Wild Caught Mahi Mahi. This fish is excellent. It's got a mild flavor. You can put all different kinds of seasonings on it and change the flavor of it. It's a thick fillet, so I really only need to eat one of these at night for supper. It is a little more expensive than the other ones, but this is a very good, it's very high quality, and it does come with a pretty big package. It will last you a long time. This is my #1 pick for the fish from Costco. If you're going to be eating some tuna on this diet, I highly recommend this pole and line caught albacore wild tuna. Costco doesn't have a very big tuna selection. I've tried them all, but this one is definitely the best. It is just tuna and sea salt, no other additives to it. So it is a little dry, so you may need to add something to it on your own to flavor it up a little bit. But this is one of the best tunas Costco has. The last suggestion I have for you is not food, but it's flavored mineral water. Now it comes in 3 different flavors. I believe it comes in a 24 pack. But if you are used to drinking soda, Pepsi, Coke, Sprite, whatever, it's going to be hard to do the carnivore diet without drinking soda, especially if you're going to quit cold turkey. But mineral water gives you a slight sense that you're drinking some type of carbonated beverage. It does taste pretty good, so I highly recommend the mineral water. Now, if you're having issues with getting bored with eating the same old food, I highly recommend this buffalo sauce. It's made by Primal Kitchen. On the carnivore diet, so far I've not used any ketchup, mustard, mayo, nothing. This is the only type of sauce I've used, and it's just every now and then. You eat chicken so much it starts to just be like a chore to eat it. We dip it in a little bit of this buffalo sauce and it really spices it up. It has a very good flavor. So if you need to add a little kick to your meal, I highly recommend this buffalo sauce. Those are all my top picks for food sold at Costco if you're going to be on the carnivore diet. Not a dietitian or a nutritionist. I just tried the carnivore diet for myself just to see if I could lose some weight, see how it is, see how I feel. I did do a complete video on it over 30 days. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.